Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name's Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about a Nova product. Nova has this nice Star HD rollator. Um, what I like about this is you have a large seat um, that fits up to a 450-pound weight capacity. Um, really unique when it comes to that. You have some features that set this apart from other ones, and what that is most of your heavy duty rollators do not allow you to adjust the seat to floor height. This one does. So I have these little buttons here that I can do all four legs, and I can adjust it up or down to give you a little bit of height adjustment. You don't always see that with the heavy duty version, so you do here. You can also do that with the handle, and so you can see that I can adjust the handle in and out and go up or down just like that. So it's a nice feature there. It's got the ergonomic hand grips, wheel brake locks here. I can also push down um, a really wide seat. So when I go to sit down, again, 5'8", right around 200 pounds. Got plenty of room in between here. But it gives you the ability to have the adjustment that most of your heavy duty walkers don't. Okay, so these rollators typically just don't adjust like this, but this one does. You have 8-inch wheels on the front and rear casters here. So great if you were going to use it outside or go over any kind of small thresholds through door frames and things like that. It'll easily go over that. Your padded seat is great. Has a pouch underneath here that you can put your belongings and things like that. One of the things that I really like about this is when I go to fold, what makes this a little unique is I raise this up. Our biggest complaint that we get is, how do you keep this locked? Because when I go out like this, it opens up, or however I grab it, it won't stay locked. Well, on this feature here, they have went in and added a little pin where I can just go in just like this and lock this. So now this isn't going to open up. I can hold it like that and it won't open up back and forth. So pretty cool little feature. It's super simple, but it works really well without it opening up real wide or anything like this. Again, this is made by Nova. You can get this from us at allstarmedicalusa.com. If you'd like to order over the phone or call us with other questions about this unit, they do make this in a petite size as well. And they have a few different color options. We'll have this link in the description below, so you'll be able to check that out. But you can give us a call at 615-258-6778. Thanks, and have a great day.